The bumper is trashed. It has holes in it. Also, this one Parktronic is inside somewhere. Also, the light is gone. The hood has huge dent, and this fender is also dent. So good for me. Hello everyone. Back in the middle of winter, I went out for a peaceful drive with Augustas and to take a walk around the Lopaičiai Mound Park. But everything ended terribly. I came back home feeling like I had sold my soul. While driving down a tree-lined path, I got a little too focused on the branches to avoid scratching the side of the car. And I didn't even notice when the tree suddenly ran into the road and I crashed into it with my bumper, headlight, fender and hood. So today's video is about how I managed to crash into a tree on a perfectly flat road and how I'll fix the damages with minimal expenses. I don't want to spoil anything in advance, but the final results will be pathetic. When I first saw the damage I had caused, I felt an overwhelming sadness. I didn't want to drive anywhere anymore, so we just headed home. By the way, does anyone know how to fix that squeaking sound? Hello everyone, so I made a mess. I hit a tree on the forest road. I was trying to avoid some branches on the left side and I hit a tree on the right side. It was slow incident, but the damage was done significant. The bumper is trashed. It has holes in it. Also, this one Parktronic is inside somewhere. Also, the light is gone. The hood has huge dent, and this fender is also dent. So good for me. Okay, plans for today is to fix this bumper with zip ties, drift style, and also change the light because light is completely broken and used ones costs even more than new one from China, so I ordered one from China. Just need to install this orange sticker on it and assemble everything. So let's go. Vienos sveikos grotelės. And that's it. Only few bolts holds this bumper. Easy to remove. Still quite old car, so everything is easy. While disconnecting the parking sensors, I completely failed to notice that the winch cable was holding the bottom of the bumper. Ta-da! One broken light. Okay, now I need to remove this bumper holder from fender. But I don't want to remove fender to remove this holder, so it's going to be tricky. I don't know if I'm able to succeed, but let's try. Okay, 8 millimeters. Ta. My new light is in a bit different color, so I need to stick this orange sticker on it to make it look like the old one. So let's try to install it. Marking the size of the piece I'll need to cut for covering the turn signal light. Nežinau kaip seksis, bet sėkmės man. Ir tas vėjas nepadeda. The sticking process is extremely slow because the transparent film is really thick and hard to spread evenly, but with the help of a heat gun it should work. Of course, if I were doing this in a more convenient place it would be way easier. Nu, ne visai gražiai gaunas, bet bus gerai. Okay, now it's time to install bumper holder. Bumper slide here, but just one problem, one part breakdown. That's what you get when you buy used parts. Okay, it is in. Now what I need is to bolt it on. Okay, time to try to install cheap China light. It's a bit different, so not as easy. Not as easy. Not that doesn't fit so flush. Cheap China shit. Okay, it looks like I need extra protection for this mount. Please don't look. It might be hard to watch. But don't forget the name of the channel. In the end, I had to secure turn signal with strap. Yep, I'm gonna need some zip ties too. Good enough. Time for the front bumper. It's not that much, but it looks extra ugly. So now I'm going to stick it with duct tape and then make holes for the zip ties. I hope that zip ties aren't too small, but if these will appear too small, well, I guess I'll buy bigger ones. I bought 2.5mm zip ties and used a 2.5mm drill bit for the holes so we wouldn't turn out too big. Not bad. Not bad at all. I still need a few more holes to fasten the straps in an X shape. This way it looks better and holds significantly stronger. Time to install the bumper. Ah! And repairs are over. I guess results are speaking for themselves. Everything looks pathetic. Bumper with zip ties is more or less okay. I like the look. I don't care if it has so many scratches, but this fender, well, it's ugly. I'm going to need to look for a new used one because it just doesn't look good. This light from China is also useless. Doesn't fit quite right, doesn't sit quite right. Of course, maybe it's due to fender. Maybe if when I change a fender, light will fit okay. The hood had scratch, but whatever. It's not that bad. Bumper also looks good, so I'm thinking that I need to change the fender, and that should be it. Had to drill these extra holes for zip ties because this bumper holder was also broken. And now everything fits quite good. Okay, that's quite enough for this time. Thank you and bye.